Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
A little wood chipper on the back, yeah. I just got a, I had Richie fix my slice seeder, and I said, well, you're out of the seed all in it. He said, you can use it to slice.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, how you doing?
How are you? It's a beautiful old freight hauler you got here.
Thank you, thank you.
I love it.
All runs good.
I'm standing here with Mike Harlick. How are you today, sir?
Good, good. How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. I love this truck you brought here. Old New England motor freight truck, huh?
Thank you. Yes, one of the originals, original MHs, CHs that they had.
How long did you work for New England?
I was with them about 18 years.
18 years,
Yeah.
wow. Doing LTL or line haul?
Both.
Little of both?
Started out in line haul, went to LTL. So,
It's really cool. I mean, the truck looks like it just rolled off the showroom.
yeah, it's we tuned it up a little bit, but it's pretty much original the way they ran it right up till the end of the.
Can you show me around your truck a little?
Sure, sure.
I'd love to see it.
Good.
Wow.
We had the frame sandblasted after I got it, and
Yeah.
we had the cab was original. We had the hood redone.
What's it got, an 8-speed in it?
9-speed.
9-speed?
Yeah, it's got the E300 Mack
Okay.
engine.
We've got an old APA truck that's probably identical to this.
Okay, yeah.
It's a sander now.
Oh, okay.
And, it looks just like this one.
NEMF actually bought a couple of old APA.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, they were in the fleet too, yeah.
Wow. What a beautiful truck. Must get a lot of attention driving this.
Yeah, I do. And I like to mention Fleet Image in Northford, Connecticut is the one that did the sprucing up of it. They did an excellent job on it.
They did a great job.
They did a great job, yeah.
I mean, it looks like it's brand new.
Yeah, he redid the hood and he sandblasted the frame and painted it.
What year is the tractor?
It's a 1991.
Really? Wow. It's like 30 years old.
Yeah, it's one of the original CHs that NEMF bought.
Very nice.
I used it right up till the end.
And did you do LTL most of your life in freight?
No, I did, when I was in St. Johnsbury, I did mostly line haul.
Line haul, yep.
And I started out in line haul in New England, and I went into the city as I got older, you know.
Yep. So when you were running line haul, where were you normally running? Down in the city or up north?
I was running a lot of Pittsburgh. I did Pittsburgh.
Okay.
For years, yeah. Both
So
for New England and St. Johnsbury.
So you run out there and then get a hotel and then come
Yeah.
back?
Yeah, they would put us up and then send us back the next night, you know.
Wow.
So I enjoyed it, but as I got older, I wanted to sleep in my own bed at night, you know.
Sure.
So,
How long you been driving trucks?
I started in 1974, so about 47 years.
So you've seen a few changes over the years,
A
huh?
lot of changes, yeah.
A lot of
Changes, yeah.
some good and some bad, right?
Yeah, more bad than good,
Sure,
I think, you know.
sure.
I mean, the trucks are nicer and all, but the roads are a lot tougher with the traffic and all, you know. And,
Yeah.
So,
A lot more regulations.
Yeah, I think it was a lot more fun back when I started out
I bet.
than it is now, you know. So.
Everybody used the CBs back then.
Yeah. Yeah, now you get on the CB, nobody answers
Right.
you, you know, so.
I mean, the trucks have got a little more comfortable, but
Much comfortable, yeah.
you know, you
definitely,
can probably ride a little more comfortable, and your back's
Yeah.
probably saved, but
Yeah, definitely.
definitely isn't the way it used to be.
No, we don't have the drivers all stuck together back then too, and they don't now.
That's
you
true.
know, so.
Yeah, they don't. If you're broken down on the side of the road,
Yeah,
they
just
don't
go
even
right
see.
by
They don't
you,
even
you
move
know.
over for
No,
you.
they don't.
Yeah,
you
it's
know.
pretty sad.
So things have changed. Some for the better, some for the worse. You know?
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate you talking to me, showing me your truck there.
Okay, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.